Next component of eukaryotic cell, that is endoplasmic reticulum. It is the network within the cytoplasmic matrix which is present in all eukaryotic cells except OVA and mature RBCs. ER जे आहे ते OVA आणि मॅच्युअर RBCs त्या ठिकाणी सोडले तर सर्व ठिकाणी सायटोप्लाझ्मिक मॅट्रिक्समध्ये आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी विखुरलेलं पाहायला मिळेल. Under the electron microscope, it appears like network of membranous tubules and sacs called as cisternae. इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोप खाली पाहिल्यानंतर आपल्याला काही नेटवर्क मिळेल पाहायला ट्युबेल्सचा आणि सॅक्सचा, त्यालाच आपण सिस्टर्ने असं म्हणतोय, की ज्याच्यामुळं जो 50% जो भाग आहे मेम्ब्रेनचा तो आपल्याला तयार झालेला दिसेल. सिस्टर्नेचा पार्ट असतो तो. दिस डिवाइड्स द सायटोप्लाझम इन 2 पार्ट्स, की ज्याच्यामुळे सायटोप्लाझमचे 2 भाग होतात. पहिला आहे ल्युमिनार सायटोप्लाझम विदिन द ल्युमेन ऑफ ER आणि दुसरा आहे नॉन ल्युमिनार सायटोप्लाझम outside the ER. Membranes of ER is continuous with nuclear envelope at one end and it extends till cell membrane. आता ERच्या त्या ठिकाणी 2 महत्त्वाचे टाईप्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सांगता येतील, स्मूथ ER आणि रफ ER. स्मूथ ER in which outer surface of ER is not studded with ribosome, and second is rough ER in which outer surface of ER is studded with ribosome. म्हणजेच स्मूथ ERमध्ये ERचा जो बाहेरचा भाग आहे ज्याच्यावरती आपल्याला रायबोझोम्स पाहायला मिळत नाही, तर रफ ERमध्ये बाहेरच्या सरफेसवरती ERच्या त्या ठिकाणी रायबोझोम्स आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील. आता एंडोप्लाझ्मिक रेटिक्युलमचे काही फंक्शन्स आहेत. पहिलं फंक्शन आहे इट ॲक्ट्स ॲज अ इंट्रासेल्युलर सपोर्टिंग फ्रेमवर्क अँड हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग पोझिशन ऑफ व्हेरियस सेल ऑर्गॅनिल्स इन द सायटोप्लाझम. सपोर्टिंग फ्रेमवर्क आहे आणि त्या ठिकाणी वेगवेगळ्या ज्या सेल ऑर्गॅनिल्स आहेत त्याची पोझिशन मेंटेन करण्याचं काम या ठिकाणी ER मार्फत केलं जातं. स्मूथ ERचा जो भाग आहे या ठिकाणी लिपिड सिंथेसिस, त्यानंतर डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स अँड पॉयझन्स, त्यानंतर स्टोरेज ऑफ कॅल्शियम आयन्स. रफ ERचा जो पार्ट आहे तो सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन्समध्ये, त्याच्यानंतर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन फॉर दी सेल. पुढचं जे कंपोनंट आहे युकॅरियोटिक सेलचा, गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स किंवा गोल्जी ॲपरेटस किंवा आपण त्याला गोल्जी बॉडीज म्हणतो. हे जे आहे मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कम पॅकेजिंग आणि ट्रान्सपोर्टिंग युनिट आहे पेशींचं. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला स्टॅक्स ऑफ मेम्ब्रेनस सॅक्स पाहायला मिळतील. आपण त्याला सिस्टर्ने म्हणतो, की त्याचा डायमीटर 0.5 ते 1 मायक्रोमीटर आहे. ही सिस्टर्न हॅज फॉर्मिंग दॅट इज सिस फेस ऑन द सेम साइड or transphase which is present on opposite side. Transport vesicles which are removed from the transitional ER merge with cis phase of Golgi cisterna and add its content into the lumen. Then modified and condensed secretions leave the Golgi through transphase again as a membrane bound vesicles. Then there are some functions of the Golgi complex. First is the modification of secretions of ER and production of its own secretion. Then refining of products. Golgi bodies in many plants produces non-cellulose polysaccharides, that is pectin. Next component of eukaryotic cell is lysosomes, or which is also known as suicide bags of the cells. These are dismantling and restructuring unit of the cell. These are membrane-bound cell organelles which contains hydrolytic enzymes. Most of the eukaryotic cells use this enzyme to digest the macromolecules. Lysosomes arise from Golgi-associated ER. Some of the enzymes, that is amylase, protease, lipases, which are present in a inactivate state. These enzymes are activated when lysosomes come in contact with other cell organelles to form a hybrid structure. After the action of the enzyme is over, the lysosomes are reformed and reused. There are some of the types of the lysosomes. First is the primary lysosomes. These are the membrane bound vesicles in which enzymes are in inactivate किंवा inactive state. Secondary lysosomes, which are formed by fusion of lysosomes with endocytic vesicles materials to be digested. Here heterophagic vesicles. Residual bodies is the vesicle containing undigested remains which are left over in the heterophagic vesicles after releasing the product of digestion in the cytosol. Then there are some functions. Lysosome brings intracellular and extracellular digestion. Then lysosomal enzymes helps in reusing the tissues of redundant organs. They also helps in destruction of malignant cells, that is T lymphocytes. Next component of eukaryotic cell is vacuoles. These are the membrane bound sacs which are found in plant cells. Some of them are found in animal cells. In some large plant cells, single large vacuole occupies the central part of the cell, which is known as central vacuole, which occupies about 90% of the total volume of the cells. Then these vacuoles are bound by semi-permeable membrane or tonoplast membrane, which maintains composition of vacuolar fluid. Then the cell sap, which is the part of the central vacuole, is a storehouse of various ions. Then some of the vacuoles, small vacuoles of certain seeds in certain plants, store proteins. Then vacuoles stores excreted products or compounds which are harmful to the herbivores, thereby protecting the plants. Intake of food by phagocytosis involves formation of food vacuole. In paramecium, you have already known about the paramecium, that is the protista, which paramecium have contractile vacuole which helps them in excretion and osmoregulation. Then vacuole maintain the turgidity of the cell. Next component of eukaryotic cell is glycosomes. These are also membrane bound cell organelles which contain enzymes that converts fatty acids to sugar. They can be observed in the cells of germinating seeds, where cells utilize stored fat as a source of sugar till it starts photosynthesizing of its own. Then next cell organelles is mitochondria. मराठीत आपण त्याला तंतुकणिका म्हणतो. It involved in aerobic respiration. It is absent in prokaryotic cell and RBCs. It is a double membrane bound cell organelles. Outer membrane is permeable to various metabolites due to presence of a protein purine, while inner membrane is selectively permeable, which allows only few substances to pass through it. Both the membranes are separated by a space which is known as outer chamber. Inner membrane shows finger-like folds which is known as cristae. Inner membrane bears number of minute particles called as oxysomes and cytochromes or electron carriers. Inner membrane encloses a cavity, that is inner chamber, which contains a fluid called as matrix. Matrix contains circular DNA, RNA, 70S type of ribosome, lipids and various enzymes of Krebs cycle and other pathways. Oxysomes. Each particle of oxygen consists of head and stalk. Head is embedded in the inner membrane and acts as an enzyme ATP synthesis, and foot as a proton channel. Oxysomes are involved in proton pumping.